Hey guys, welcome back to my channel called How To. I have an exciting news for you guys. That's something I have just came across and got to know from AOMEI team, which is super fascinating for sure. Since AOMEI have announced a free giveaway, which is worth of $669 as in World Backup Day gift for you all. Okay, so yes, this is true. Uh, AOMEI backup, phone tool, cloud backup, My Recovery Professional, My Recovery for iOS, all these softwares, you can get it installed and you can use it, leverage it for free with a single click. Okay, since I have even done the same, you can just come here, you can just click on the link given on the description below, and you can just click either one of this link if you want to download these individual softwares, or if you want them all at a single click, just click over here and you're good to go. Okay, also keep in mind, this gift will be expiring on 3rd of April, so just leverage this thing, use this tool. These are really awesome tool that I have been using on my daily basis. I do have my recover, um, phone tool, right, and a couple of more that are installed on my machine, which makes my life really easy. And just thought to share this giveaway with you guys. Just give it a try, right? These are really helpful tool on your day-to-day basis, and I hope you're gonna use this, explore the tool, use it since these are free. These are not a trial basis. These are really you're gonna have the keys as well once you'll download it, and once you can set up it, you're gonna find the professional keys that you can use. And yeah, so just uh, happy World Backup Day, and thank you AMI for uh, announcing this gift. And I feel really lucky to to announce this giveaway to the viewers. I'll seek forward, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment and reach out. Meanwhile, just leverage the link that I have given on my description below, and enjoy the day. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.